दादा बर्नआउट हो रहा है, आई एम गेटिंग बर्नट आउट, दिस सेल्स गेम इज डिमांडिंग यार, हाउ कैन आई स्टे फ्रेश. देखो, इफ यू आर इनटू दिस particular thing, sales is not something that you have to do enthusiastically. Come on, I can kurbo lorbo jeet bore. Look buddy, you are taking somebody's hard earned money from their pocket and you are taking it in return of a value, a relief, a remedy to their problems. जिस दिन उसको ये चीज़ समझ में आएगा ना, then the sales is going to be refreshing because it is going to be a spiritual practice for you. Why? Because you are now solving a big problem. You are giving a relief. You are probably taking off all their pain and problems just by giving this. You are helping someone to reach to their aspiration, desire, hope, and जो इतना सालों से रखा हुआ था, now because of this particular product, process or services, they can achieve that. You are helping someone to get closer to their next level of status, next level of version 2 of their life. So take it in a very positive way. मैं motivate करने के लिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, but when you work, when you do this closing, this is the next level of service that you can think you can offer. Thank you so much. My name is Dr. Amit.